everyone, I'm here with another video, and this video is for all those who are interested in hand embroidery. Here are some simple and basic embroidery patterns that will help all the beginners who are going to start embroidery or who are interested in embroidery. This video will help them. This video is basically about lazy daisy embroidery patterns, and most simple and basic embroidery patterns are included in this video. Share your reviews in the comment section and follow my channel for more such videos. Thank you.